Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and this is Rahul Chowre, and today I'm going to make video on how to use the offset and thicken command in Creoparametric. So just open your software Creoparametric and just click on the file and take a new file, and then one window will pop up here and select a part as a subtype and the solid as a subtype, and then next unclick this use default template, click on the OK. The purpose behind unclicking was that one window will be pop up here, and in this we have to select the all dimensions are in the mm, and the whole operation we are going to perform in mm. Just click on OK, and the next window system has generated this interface of the Creoparametric. Click on the front plane because I am going to make video on because I am going to work on the front plane. Okay, then click on the model and take the sketch command and then sketch view. Okay, the active command is here, sketch. In this all the sub commands are there, and then today we will focus on how to use this offset command and the thicken command. So first of all, for understanding these commands, we require to draw some object on some lines and drawings. Okay, offset and thicken command. So for understanding, I will just take this line and draw one shape. Okay, so the first point is here, second point here, and then this is the first line drawn, this is the second line and the third line. Okay, I have drawn here. Now command is still active. I want it to close, so that two ways are here. I already told you the first way, which is the middle button of the mouse. Just we have to double click, and the second one is just click on the escape button on your keyboard 2 times. Okay, like this. After first escape, the the line will unable to draw, and in the second escape, if you click on the escape second time, then automatically all the dimension will be created by the software. Then here the object I have drawn for the practice purpose, and then next click on the sketch and select this offset command, and the next one window will pop up here, this type, select offset edge, and in these 3 commands are there. First one is single, second chain, and third one is loop. Okay, so whatever the command is here. Okay, so another window is there, enter offset in the direction of the arrow. Okay, so now we have click by default it's selected by the system is single. Okay, select offset edge means single element will be get selected, or single line will be get selected, and whatever the operation will be performed on the single item. Okay, and then next I will here enter offset in the direction. Okay, by default this line is get selected, first one. Enter, now the system is asking enter the offset distance in direction of the arrow. Which arrow? Here this is the arrow. Here you can see in orange color, downside. Okay, so the direction of the arrow is downside, so the offset of this line will be generated only downside. Here you can see, just click on this, and offset distance I will give to 20 mm. Okay, and just click on the green tick mark. Here you can see this line is offsetted from this line by 20 mm as I put the dimension over here. Okay, here you can see the 20 mm dimension, and this first line is offsetted. Okay, now and we'll see this second one. If you select this chain, then it will select more than one line, or maximum 2 elements. Okay, so just click on close and click on the Ctrl Z. Okay, for this object again go to sketch and then select the, first of all select this line then this line, go to sketch, then the offset. Okay, okay, after offsetting, here the in direction of the arrow. Okay, now one more thing I would like to tell you, the arrow is in downside. Okay, so whatever the offset line is going to offset, it will be offsetted in downward direction. But if you wanted to upside of this line, so you just have to, what you have to do, just you have to just enter negative sign, like previously I had put 20 mm, now I will going to put minus 20 and click on the green tick mark. Here you can see. Okay, so line is offsetted by 20 mm. Okay, like this. Now again, if I click on this chain, here I selected. Okay, now just click on again sketch, click on this, first of all select this line, then go to offset and then select which one, this chain command is not getting selected. Yeah, it's get selected. Okay, but here you can see the arrow. Okay, so this arrow also indicates which line you have selected over there. Okay, and then enter offset in the direction of the arrow. Just I am going to put 40, click on the green tick mark. Here you can see vertical line is offsetted from this line by 40 mm. Here you can see. Okay, like this. Another command is over there, specify a chain by selecting two entities or two or more. Okay, so I just click on the chain and I will select, press the control, the first one line and second one line. Okay, and again enter the offset distance we have to put over there. I will select this time 60 mm, click on the green tick mark. Okay, yes, now two lines are generated. It's critical to find, but here these are two lines by the 60 mm. Here you can see this distance 40 and 20, 60. And for better understanding, just close this and just again press Ctrl Z for clear visibility. Again go to sketch and which command, this command, click on the offset. No, before clicking on offset, just select this line, place Control, select both the lines, click on the sketch, click on the offset. Okay, here it's not going to directly select this chain type. Okay, so for that what we have to do is that enter offset in the direction of the arrow. Okay, so first of all put the dimension over here. I will put 50. Okay, then click on, now minus 50 I will put. Okay, click on the green tick mark. Here you can see this line I was selected. Okay, actually we can't select multiple lines at time, we can't select directly. Okay, whatever the first line we have selected, then only for single line the offset is created. Okay, by the 50 mm. Here you can see 50 from this line to this line. Okay, and nextly you can select on the chain. So what is meant by this chain? The chain means you can select more than one lines, up to maximum. How many lines I will just see. Just press the control key and select this line and this line. Okay, and then offset in the direction of the arrow. Enter offset. So I will enter 20 mm, not 20, minus 20 mm, and then click on green tick mark. Here you can see after 20 millimeter, here the line is offsetted. Okay, this is the line and this also. Okay, so now you can understood, I think, because after clicking on chain you can select the multiple lines for getting offsetted. Okay, and now we'll focus on the third one, loop. Okay, so for getting understand, just close this, Ctrl Z in the drawing view, clear view, Again go to sketch and again take this offset command, and then you can't direct yes, here the option is getting open. Just click on the loop, and what is mean by loop? Actually the loop mean whole elements and all the lines are being selected by system, and it will be perform the operation like all the offset elements are getting offsetted at a time. Okay, this first line, second line, third line. How? Just click on the sketch, and then here this offset. Okay, and then select the first object and put the offset distance in direction of the arrow. Yeah, here it's not going to select, okay, because we didn't select it the first line. Okay, then just put offset distance. I will going to put near about 10 mm. Okay, not 10, minus 10 mm. Click on no, still this command is not active, not getting selected. So click on the green tick mark. So first element is getting offsetted. Here you can observe 10 mm, and the next then you can select this loop command. Loop means all the objects. You not have to select all the line one by one. Okay, in the loop means all object it command perform on all the lines, and then press the control key and then select this line and this line. Okay, enter offset distance direction. Again wanted and offset distance, I will going to enter 20. Click on green tick mark. Here you can see the offset is happened or created by the system on 20. Here you can say where is the 20 mm. Here the 20 mm for this line and 20 mm for this line. Okay, like this, and 20 mm for this line. So here this is the line. Okay, so this is how you can play with this offset command, because different condition are over there. We have to most of time do the trial and testing, and sometimes we fail, but we have to again reuse that commands in different way. Only after that you can able to learn and draw the different drawing, critical drawings. Okay, like this. Okay, I hope so you have got that concept of how to use the offset command and how to perform from top side, down side, offset. From if this is the line, then how to draw light left side of this line and the right side of this line. Okay, so thank you very much friend for watching the video, and if you are new on this channel, so kindly hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.